Yes, Nana. Good afternoon, everyone. Yes. So in the previous class, I thought about the habitat, right? And I have shown you that there are some videos. Okay. Now Lohita Pranavi, still there are some children are moving here and there. Please try to arrange everything. Don't move here and there, Nana. Still I can't see one child. There is no name also mentioned. Try to avoid all these disturbance. Akila, I can't see your face. And don't sit on the bed, Nana. It is not good. So tomorrow onward, just try to arrange a chair or on the floor. Okay, don't sit on the bed. It's not good. Next, that means you feel some uncomfortable, like feeling sleepy, it's like that. I don't know whether it is bed or a chair, but appearance is like a bed, Nana. Okay, fine. Next. And having lunch, all these things should not be do in the class. So everybody have your textbooks and notebooks with you. Ashwita, don't move, Ashwita. Yes, are you all writing fair notes? Writing fair notes, Pranita? Okay. Today, first I want to conduct you some reading skills, Nana. Because I'm going on teaching the lesson, I don't know whether you are good at reading or not. Is my voice is clear to you? Can you hear me? Show me a thumb. Show me a thumb, Shivani. Yeah. Bhavana is not there in the class. Bhavana, I can't see you. Okay. Now try to arrive in time. I will start the screen share. Yeah. Children, in the previous class, I thought for you, habitat is a living or dwelling place of plants and animals. Did I say this definition? Did you remember? Yes or no? Yeah. Now just you observe. What is the picture, Nana? The picture is, there is a tree and there are some animals. There are some creators are there underground. We could see there are two snakes are crawling, birds are flying. Okay, am I clear? So now I want one child to read this. Tree is a habitat. This paragraph, I'll give a chance. Nana, if I ask you to unmute, you have to unmute yourself. Now, Pranita Sai. Pranita Sai. Okay. Pranita Sai, unmute yourself. Pranita Sai, unmute yourself and read the showing paragraph. Yeah, yes, Pranita, good girl. Now I'll show you the screen.
Yes, madam.
Read it.
Yes, madam.
Yes, start now.
1 minute, madam.
What happened? Tree is a habitat. That paragraph you have to read. What happened, Anna? Make it fast. What happened? Can I get chance for others? Don't waste the time.
Sorry, madam.
Are you there? Once show me your face, Pranita Sai.
Yes, teacher.
On your video first.
Yes, madam.
On your video, I can't see you on the screen.
Mummy, video on avatలేదు, mummy. Teacher, video is not there, teacher.
Yeah, it's okay. Then you read at least. Read.
Yes,
I can
teacher.
hear.
Now explore the types of organisms that you may see living on a tree or even a medium-sized plant found in our surroundings. Complete, ma'am.
Wait.
Yes,
Which
teacher.
paragraph are you reading? Tree as a habitat. Can you see red color?
No, ma'am.
Can you see? No, screen కనబడుతుందా నీకు?
Yes, teacher. Converting, teacher.
Tree as a habitat. Can you see the heading?
Got it, teacher.
Then read from there.
Teacher, hello.
Yes, you can.
Now, in the same way, let us study a plant or a tree has habitat. Birds, monkeys, squirrels, snakes, ants, spiders, caterpillars, months, bees, wasps.
Month not Nana. That is not month. It is moths. Type of insect.
Okay, ma'am. Small plants, mosses,
Moths.
mosquito, moths,
Okay.
mosquito are some organisms that you may find on a tree. Try to classify them in table 2 based on weight. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That is not classify, Nana. Classify కాదు. It is classify.
Classify. Okay, teacher.
Hmm.
Add some more examples that you know. Complete, ma'am.
That you know, that you now not, that you know. So, by reading this, what you understand? Tree also a habitat. First, what is habitat, you know? Pranita,
Teacher, చెప్పండి.
you know what is the meaning of habitat?
No, ma'am.
Why you don't know?
Ma'am, yesterday I not learn class, ma'am.
Yesterday there is no class also, Amma. Yesterday I did not taught all this I explained long back. I mean 2-3 days back I have explained about in the beginning of the lesson. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
That day itself I explained what is habitat. If you don't know what is the meaning, can you explain what is meaning of habitat? You don't know.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
don't know. Then I will ask any other. Who is ready to explain about the habitat? Except Adiba. Adiba, no chance for you. Sorry, I know you are clever. I will say, I will select. Komal also no. Yeah, one more Pranita is raising her hand. But I will give Samrani. Smarani, sorry, excuse me. I will give a chance for Smarani to explain that topic. Smarani. Yeah, Smarani. Now you can unmute Smarani.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes,
I know some habitat will be in water and land. I know.
What do you know? Let's explain what is habitat. Explain. Very good girl. For your quick response first. Explain what is habitat. Come on. Speak out soon. What is habitat, Nana?
I don't know, ma'am.
You said no. I know. Live on land, water. That's all I know. You said no.
Yeah, ma'am.
Then what are you listening every day? Are you attending the class regularly?
Yeah, ma'am.
Suppose in the exam they will ask explain about habitat. Then what you will write? What is the lesson name? Habitat. If you don't know the meaning of habitat, then how, Nana? Why you did not comb your hair?
I didn't have book, ma'am.
Very good. You did not purchase book set.
అదే నమ్మ టీచర్ అడిగింది.
Nana, come on, sit just on your video. Smarani?
Yeah, ma'am, I'm on the video.
Okay, then tell me why you did not learn, why you did not purchase books yet, and old books also you can take no from your siblings, from your friends.
Yeah, ma'am.
And you have long hair, no? Why you did not comb your hair?
ఇదిగో ఇక్కడ ఉంది.
Huh?
I didn't have makes it nest on the tree.
When you are listening the class, you have to comb your hair and you should make an ID, no? Okay. It is very bad. There is no proper response from you all. Okay. Now,
Ma'am,
Sai Vignesh. Sai Vignesh, unmute yourself. On your video, unmute yourself. You close the video also. Sai Vignesh and Sampath. Both of you. Sampath Dhoni, Sai Vignesh. Sai Vignesh. You are there in the class, I know, on your video. Sai Vignesh, you are not there in the class. SD Syed, unmute yourself. SD Syed. Syed, unmute yourself, Nana. Syed, are you there? Okay, Satvika, unmute yourself. Satvika, unmute yourself. Satvika, on your video, unmute yourself.
no.
Satvika? Oh my God, why there is no sound? Whom I should teach children?
Ma'am,
Yeah, who is that? Who is that?
ma'am,
Who is that, Nana?
is this I?
Who is talking? Satvika, I unmuted. Sampath, I unmuted. There is no response from you. And I can't see anybody on the screen. Why did you stop the videos? Then you may question me, ma'am, you stopped your video. Why? Because I want to share the screen. If I go on owning my video, offing my video, again I have to go completely. I have to go back to click. Adiba, still there are some children are ready to answer, but I am not accepting. I'm giving chance for you to explain, but why are you hiding somewhere? I don't know. Satvika, are you there? Somebody is calling me, ma'am, ma'am, ma'am. No response. Syed, I called.
Ma'am, what is the habitat? I know, ma'am.
But who is that? Who is speaking? Just tell me your name.
Pranita Sai, ma'am.
Pranita Sai, your turn is completed, Amma. Now
Okay,
you
ma'am.
can mute yourself. Now you can mute yourself. Now I am explaining for all the participants. Listen here, Ashish Kumar, Akshit Kumar, you want to answer? Okay, fine. Yeah, Akshit Kumar, click on your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Response. A student should be like this, Nana. If you respond like this, I will not waste my time. Come on, Nana, tell me, what is your doubt?
No doubt, ma'am. I want to answer.
You can answer now. What is habitat, Nana?
Habitat is a dwelling place for plants and animals.
Excellent, excellent. So I know that there are some children don't know what is the meaning of dwelling. It is, we can say it as a living place. Bratakaniki unde place ne manam habitat antam. I have shown you so many videos, and one more thing, Akshit.
Ma'am.
Videos చూపించినప్పుడు అవి క్లియర్ గా బాగా అనిపించిందా నీకు?
Yes, ma'am.
I
It's
know
so
that
good.
it may not be clear, but if I explain, imagine there are some fishes in the water. Instead of imagination, I shown you some videos. I hope that videos will make you more clear. Yes, that's why I showed some videos. Okay, thank you very much, Nana. Thank you so much. Are you reading textbook, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Now you can mute yourself. Clap yourself. All of you give one clap to Akshit. Everybody, only one, only one. If you did two, that means your concentration is not there. Lohita Pranavi, still she is clapping. Clap means only one clap, I said. You have to listen my instructions. And 5 claps and cheppaledu 2 clap. Only one clap, I said. And I did not say clap. Clap means you can give 100 claps, 1000 claps, 1 lakh claps. But here specifically I mentioned that only one clap. Okay. So these rules you have to agree, Nana. During the online classes, you have to listen. Otherwise, your mind may get distracted. Okay. Fine. Thank you very much. Nana, habitat is a living or dwelling place. బ్రతకడానికి ఒక ఏదైనా లివింగ్ ఆర్గానిజమ్స్. I said you have your hair. Yes or no? మీకు జుట్టు ఉంది కదా, తల ఉంది కదా, దాంట్లో కూడా స్మాల్ లివింగ్ ఆర్గానిజమ్స్ ఉంటాయి. You know that lice. Okay, then what is the dwelling place of lice? Your hair. You have to accept that answer. Okay, your hair is the habitat because it want your blood. That's why it will create the place and it will hide somewhere and it will live nicely. It will drink the milk. Sorry, blood. Okay, then mosquito also. If how much delicious foods we keep on the table also, the mosquito will move around us. మీరు నోటీస్ చేశారా? ఎంత డెలిషియస్ ఫుడ్ ఉన్నా మస్కిటో will come to us. Why it will comes to us? It wants suck blood from us. Okay, and there are some germs also will grow in inside of our body. You know, children. In Colgate toothpaste ad, so many ads I said. Okay. There are some viruses also will be spread through the air. You know, గాలిలో కూడా కొన్ని వైరస్లు ఉంటాయి తెలుసా? Okay, you have to strongly believe this is a corona is a very good example for you. ఓకే, గాలి ద్వారా ఎందుకు వస్తుంది? మనం స్నీజ్ చేసినప్పుడు కూడా ఒక వైరస్ ఉంది అని చెప్తున్నారు కదా డాక్టర్స్. దగ్గినప్పుడు, తుమ్మినప్పుడు చేతి రుమాల్ని అడ్డు పెట్టుకోండి. తెలుగులో చాలా పెద్ద లాంగ్ న్యూస్ వస్తుంది మనం కాల్ చేస్తే కదా, అవునా? సో by listening this, what you understand, in the air also there are some living organisms are there. When they are entering into our body, we are getting affected. Do you all agree with me? This we have to believe this strong, Nana, because already this is a big issue happened already. It is going on coronavirus because of the virus is spreading and entering into the body, and it is damaging our whole system, whole mechanism. So we are suffering. That is the reason. That is the reason now we are in online class. Otherwise, we may offline. We may enjoy in our school days. Okay, we will also get full salaries, and see nowadays so many teachers are suffering like anything. You know that. Okay. And due to the virus only, we have created this platform for you to learn. But there are some children are very serious at this. But there are some children really they are taking time pass, take it easy, not listening seriously. And children, when you sneeze ante telsa tummadam. When you are sneezing, there are so many virus will come out. You know, అందుకనే మనం హ్యాండ్ కర్చీఫ్ లేదా మన స్లీవ్స్ మోచేతులు అడ్డు పెట్టుకుంటాం తుమ్మేటప్పుడు. You know all these children? You know all this? Why? Because there are some virus will be spread in the air. So automatically, I think you know, one of your family is suffering with the cold. Automatically, suppose mummy ki cold unte, next day or the next day, father or you may get cold. Compulsory, 101%. First, your father, mother, or you have a cold. The second person within 1 or 2 days they will be get affected. Yes or no, Komal? Just show me your thumb. ఇది నిజమేనా నేను చెప్పిన స్టేట్మెంట్ కరెక్ట్? ఎస్ కరెక్ట్. వై ఇట్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్? డాడీకి ఫీవర్ డాడీకి కోల్డ్ వస్తే నీకెందుకు కోల్డ్ వస్తుంది? బికాస్ దేర్ ఆర్ సమ్ వైరస్ విల్ ఎంటర్ ఇన్ టు అవర్ బాడీ, ఆటోమేటికల్లీ వీ విల్ ఆల్సో గెట్ కోల్డ్. ఓకే, So you have to believe strong that air also carries some living organisms such as small virus and bacteria, etc. Okay. Now I am showing you a small 1-minute video. Please, all of you see that.
వీడియో ఈ ఒకసారి
Okay, watch it.
హ్యాబిటెట్ నువ్వు వేరే
I will ask you questions based on this what you are observing in the video. Okay, once again, you observe carefully. They are showing, Nana, on or within the leaves also there are some organisms. I don't know whether you observed or not. First they shown underground. Then they shown there are some of the bacteria are there for the roots, root nodules. Okay. And there are some living organisms are moving here and there on the trunk of the tree, on the branches. Okay. Inside the trunk of the tree. Now they are showing on. Okay, Nana. So understood? Is it clear, Nana? Very, very clear video. Yes, very clear video. You have observed that many of the organisms are living on under the ground, on the trunk, on the branches. Yes. So how many of you not understood that tree is a habitat for some living organisms? Please, you can raise the hand. Based on this, if you have any doubt, you can raise your hand so that I can unmute you. Harshini, Priya, Ishant, please. This relay me 3I pink color dress it properly. Pink dress girl. Hi. Nana, say hi. Good afternoon, ma'am. Show your hand. Show your hand. Very good. I can't listen you. You don't have any name. Your name is Realme. No, you have to join with your name. Otherwise, how can I call you? See, Soumya, how cute girl. And this Afia also. Very good girl. See, you are sleeping and listening the class. There is no book in front of you, nothing. Show me your book. Wait, now you have to read. I will give you a chance. REA, Realme. Now you can unmute Realme. Nice name. Click on your mic. Very good, Nana. On your video, I can't see your face. Yeah, very good girl. Now show me your book, Nana. Yes, very good. Now in that open page number 58. Open page number 58.
Ma'am, open.
Yes. What is that red color line you read once? In that whole page, one red color heading is there.
Our house has a habit.
Habit or habitat?
Habit.
Once you sit properly first, no confusion, don't touch your mobile. Now look at me. Very good girl. Our house is a habit.
Yes.
Habit or what it is? Once you read the spelling.
HABITAT.
Yeah, what is this pronounced? Pronunciation?
Habit. Habit.
Is it habit or habitat?
Habitat.
Habit meaning vere, habitat meaning vere. Now Realme have a habit of sleeping and listening the class. Realme.
Sir.
Realme 3i. నువ్వే
Sir.
కదా డ్రెస్ అమ్మాయి చూడు. Yes.
Teacher.
Realme habit వేరు, habitat వేరు. Habitat means it is a living or dwelling place. Okay. Hello,
Okay, ma'am.
your video is shaking. Don't move, please. Okay, now explain your opinion on previous video. Previous video నేను ఏం చూపించాను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయ ఒకసారి.
Teacher, 2 monkeys.
2 monkeys. Okay, overall, what you understand? After showing the video, what did you understand? Explain. Now Adiba will explain, you listen.
Okay, ma'am.
What okay, ma? You are giving chance to Adiba to explain. Adiba Shahir, Nana, explain beta. Unmute yourself.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, very good afternoon, Bangaram.
Madam, we understood that about tree is also a habitat for some living organisms.
Super. Only tree, that means in the various parts also of the tree also will involved. That also you can say. Yes or no, Nana?
Yes, ma'am.
Different parts like a trunk, branches, even on the leaves also. Leaves paina kuda, even under the ground, Nana, ground lopala, inside the ground, and roots also there are some living organisms will live. And one question for you, where are we living now present? We human beings.
Yes, ma'am.
On which planet we are living?
Earth.
Then why don't we live on other planet? There are so many planets, no? We have 9 planets. Then why don't we live on other planets?
Ma'am.
Adiba.
Ma'am.
Explain, Nana. Why don't we choose another planet?
Because, madam, in another planet there is no life.
Excellent, beta. There is no life. Okay. Now our earth has all the favorable conditions for us to live. We have a good atmosphere, we have sufficient water facility, we have agriculture, we have industries. So totally our earth is giving us full support for us to live. Okay, that's why we choose this earth. We choose our planet earth. Like us, the animals also selected their area of living. Now, anytime, Adiba, did you notice your corners of the windows or doors? You would see some what we call termites. అంటే మట్టితో చేసుకుంటాయి చూడు. Did you notice anytime? If not, ask your mother or grandmother. Ask them to show. And when you spoil that, it will be very hard surface. When you spoil it, you will see that there are small white color creators will come us. They are called as termites. అంటే అవి కూడా ant family. ఓకేనా, మన విండోస్ లో డోర్స్ మధ్యలో మట్టితో చేసుకుంటాయి. ఓకేనా, సో అదే దానికి హౌస్ అన్నమాట. ఇఫ్ యూ గివ్ ఏసీ రూమ్ ఆల్సో దే ఆర్ నాట్ కంఫర్టబుల్ ఇన్ యువర్ ఏసీ రూమ్. Okay, they want to live in the hole. Suppose you take example of ant. Suppose if you give all the favorable condition of ant, the ant will not stop in particular place. The ant want to move to the hole only. The ant will take the sugar or rice, anything, whatever it will be their food item in your home, it will be carry and it will move and it will sit in the, it will go to the her safe place. Okay, ants usually live in holes. Ant hills antar kada. So ant will lift 50% more weight than its body. And ant body kante 50 times weight ఎక్కువ మోస్తుంది. Suppose Adiba, now you are there, you have your, you know your bag weight. Usually in the 5th class, you know your bag weight. Suppose imagine that your bag and your brother bag, imagine he is studying 10th class or 9th grade. Can you weigh together your bag and your brother bag to school?
No.
No, it is highly difficult, but see that ant can weight 50 times more weight than its body. So we have to learn more things from the ant. Thank you so much, Adiba, for your nice response. Love you. So clap for you. Only one clap for Adiba. Mute yourself, Nana. Very good. So see children, now I'm moving on to the next page. Now you understood that tree is a habitat. Now our house is a habitat for so many living organisms. Okay, we live in houses that protect us from heat and cold, rain, etc. And it will give shelter for us. Okay, children, we also grow some plants which give us fruits and vegetables. Okay, understood? Children, still you have any doubt based on the previous? No. Okay, sir. Then here they are saying that our house also a habitat for so many living organisms, and we will also grow a different types of fruits and vegetables in our kitchen garden. Now here the activity 4 is talks about discuss the different organisms living in your house. So I don't want to give a big discussion because as you know that our house is a habitat of several organisms. Okay, what are they? So like cats, okay, goats, cows, buffaloes, birds, pigeons, spiders, ants, cockroaches, plants like tulsi. Okay, children, croton, so many plants. Now you understood that. Why I am giving these examples? Children, cockroach, మీ ఇంట్లో cockroach ఉండదా? Ant ఉండదా? ఉంటుంది. Okay, that is also habitat for them. Okay, we can say that house is a habitat for some of the living organisms. Now here, a wonderful heaven above, there is a table. Now let me read it. Animals are partners of our habitat. Without, they are the partners. Without partners, see children, without partner, it is very, suppose, if you are, when you are going to school, if there is only one student in the 6th class, there is no competition, right? and you don't feel happy and enjoy in the learning also. If you have any other opponent compete, then you will be enjoy to learn. Okay, I should go, I should read well, I should get good marks like that. So animals are partners of our habitat. Now they also have a right to live. We people are encroaching their habitat. What are we doing? We are destroying their habitats. Okay, if we cut a tree, okay, children, if we cut a tree, birds that live on it lost their nests and fall in danger. We often see dogs, cows, monkeys suffering from lack of food and shelter. Okay, now Blue Cross in one of the voluntary organization that works for animals rights and protection. What is that? Blue Cross. You have to remember this. What is it? It is a voluntary organization. Voluntary organization that works on animals' rights and protection. Children, now see here. Now I will take example. Suppose you are playing on the road or you are playing in the park. Suppose someone may be beat you and they will say that why are you playing here? How do you feel? You feel so sad and you will argue. Yes or no? Avan, will you argue them? Who are you to say me to stop playing? అడుగుతారా లేదా? ఎవరండి మీరు నాకు చెప్పడానికి నేను ఆడుకోవద్దని? I have rights to play here. Will you say? Okay, Pranita is raising hand. I want to unmute her once. Yeah, Pranita, unmute amma. Pranita, you want to talk to me? Yes.
Yes. Good afternoon, teacher.
Yeah, good afternoon. You are raising your hand now. Was there any doubt for you? You can ask me.
Ma'am, I want to read textbook.
You want to?
I want to read textbook.
Oh my God, that's why you asked me to unmute. Super. Okay, now just you explain that. Can you say that animals will not have rights to live on earth? Yes or no, Pranita? Suppose someone came and just they destroyed your home. Now, where are you living? In comfortable house, kada? Yes or no? Somebody came and destroyed your house. How do you feel? How do you feel, Pranita? Explain your experience. Unmute yourself. I can't listen you. You click on your mic. Pranita, click on your mic. You only asked me number of times raising your hand. You can't unmute? Once again, I'll give you a chance, Pranita. Please don't trouble me. Now unmute, Pranita. What happened, Pranita? She don't have any doubt, but she want to read textbook. That purpose she asked me doubt. So see, children, we are all living on the earth. Now we are not supposed to destroy any of the living organisms shelter. Now we are going on cutting down trees. How they feel, Nana? Suppose now imagine that somebody has spoiled your home. How do you feel? Okay, it's the time of Nana. We will last period, only one period it takes time. I will conclude in the next period. Now it is the time 2:10. I hope that you did not have any doubts. Thank you for your all response. And today your homework is, please try to read up to page number 59. Okay, total lesson you have to read up to page number 59. Take your pencil, underline the important points. Okay, now I said, which of the organization will work for the animals' right? I said one organization will work. Can you say? I can understand your lip movement. Which organization? Blue Cross. Okay. The organization will work for the rights of animals. Now, right for girls, human rights. We have so many laws, you know. Social lo cheptaru meeku. Just yes or no, Nana? We have rules and regulations and all that. You will be learned in the social. Like that only for animals also. There are some voluntary organizations are working under for protection, right for protection of animals act. Okay, children. So thank you very much. Nice to see you. Time up. Bye, everybody. Sir, can I leave?
Okay, ma'am.
Good afternoon, children. How are you all? Welcome to Sanvi Learning Services. So today we are going to discuss about playing with numbers. Okay. Chapter 3, playing with numbers. Okay, children. And the aim of the topic is solving exercise from 3.1 to 3.7 problems. Okay. In previous class, we have discussed exercise 3.1, 3. Up to 3.6 we have discussed. So today we are going to discuss the last exercise, that is exercise 3.7. Okay. So after this chapter, we have the another chapter, that is basic geometrical ideas. Fourth chapter, the chapter name is basic geometrical ideas. Okay. So for the next class, when we have the next class, students, you all be ready with a pencil and a torchlight. Did you understand, children? So we are going to start the next chapter in the next class. So to understand some points in the basic geometrical ideas, so you all of you be ready with a torchlight and a pencil. Okay. I hope that in your house you all have torchlight, isn't it? In every house you have the torchlight. Okay. So you all of you be ready with a torchlight and pencil. So with them we are going to learn some basic geometrical ideas. So be ready with them. So coming to our topic, the agenda is divisibility rules of 2, 3, 6, 9, 5 and 10. Finding factors, prime numbers and composite numbers, prime factorization, finding HCF, finding LCM, relation between HCF and LCM. And the last topic is divisibility rules for 4, 8 and 11. In previous classes, these are all topics we have discussed. So today we are going to discuss this last topic, divisibility rules for 4, 8 and 11. Okay, children. So in previous class, already we have discussed what are the divisibility rules of 4, 8 and 11. Okay. Yes, Neha, what is your doubt? Please unmute yourself.
Sir,
What is your doubt?
sir, exercise అన్ని క్లాస్ వర్క్ లో రాలా?
CW. Write in CW.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Now see here, divisibility rules of 4, 8 and 11. Okay. In previous class, already we have discussed, first of all, divisibility rule of 4. Once again, so I will revise briefly. See, here the definition is given, divisibility rules, rule for 8. So what is given? A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last 2 digits is divisible by 4. Okay. So if a number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last 2 digits. So its last 2 digits, they should divisible by 4. In the given number, if the last 2 digits are divisible by 4, then the given number is divisible by 4. For example, say here 56496 number is given. Okay, 56496. Okay. So here take the last 2 digits. What are they? 9 and 6. Okay, the last 2 digits are 9 and 6. So will they divide? Will this number divisible by 4? Let us see. 4 2s are 8. 1 is the remainder. 6 you take. 4 4s are 16. It is dividing by 4 now. It means the last 2 digits we have taken 96. So this 96, the last 2 digits 96, it is divided by 4. So it means in the given number, if the last 2 digits are divisible by 4, then the given number will divisible by 4. Understand? For example, see one more number, 1 2 0 0 0 0 3 2 1 6. Okay, 3 2 1 6. So we don't know whether this number it will divisible by 4 or not. Okay. So if we do division, it will take more time. Okay. So shortly, simply to check whether this number is divisible by 4 or not. So just we have to check the last 2 digits. Okay, not necessary to check the whole number. Just we have to check the last 2 digits. If the last 2 digits number, if it is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. See here the last 2 digits, what number we found here? 16. So we know 16 is divisible by 4. Okay, 16 is divisible by 4. 4 4s are 16. Isn't it? So it is divided by 4. So here the last 2 digits 16, it is divided by 4. So the whole number it is divisible by 4. Okay, children? Have you all understood? So this is the divisibility rule of 4. And coming to divisibility rule of 8. In divisibility rule of 4, we have discussed the last 2 digits, they should divisible by 4. But coming to divisibility rule of 8 is last 3 digits they should divisible by 8. Okay, last 3 digits they should divisible by 8. For example, see, a number is given like this: 2386 49 080. Okay, this number is given. So we don't know whether this number will divisible by 8 or not. Okay, not necessary to check whole number. Just you have to take the last 3 digits. Okay, so take the last 3 digits. If this last 3 digits, if they divisible by 8, then the given number also divisible by 8. See here the last 3 digits 080 is there. So 080 means it is equal to 80. It means 80. Okay. So when we divisible by 8, 8 tens are 80. Divided by 8 now. So the given total number it will divisible by 8. Okay, children. So this is divisibility rule of 8, and the next divisibility rule for 11. Divisibility rule for 11. What is divisibility rule for 11? See, the divisibility rule for 11 is what is given here. First of all, see one example. We can explain with one example. Here, see, take this example. 1909 1909 1908 1908. Can you all see the screen? Okay, right. Now see, to check whether this number divisible by 11 or not, first of all, we have to take sum of the, see, we should take one, if you, one after one number, one by one number we should take. See, if you take the first number, again you should leave the second number. Okay? If you take the second, if you take the third number, you should leave the fourth number. See, first of all, you take 1 and leave the next number 9, and the next number you take 0. And leave the next number 9 and take the next number 1. And leave the next number 9, take the next number 0. So first of all, find their sum. What will get? 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0. So how much we get here? This total value is equal to, we get 2. Are you understanding? See, I will explain on the board. All of you look at the board carefully. Now we are going to discuss about divisibility rule of 11. Okay. Divisibility rule of 11. Okay. So take one example. Suppose, see here, 1909 1908 1908. So what we should take means, first of all, we should take the number leaving one number. It means, see, first you take 1. If you take 1, leave the next number. So leave the next number and take 0. Again, leave the next number. 0 after next number 9 is there. Leave that number and you take the another number. Again, 1 after the next number 9 is there. Leave that number and you take the another number. Okay. So find their sum. So what we get to find their sum? 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0. How much we get total? We get 2. Now the second time, which numbers we leaved? which numbers we left, that numbers you take. So what numbers we left? Find their sum. See here 9 we left. We left 9. Again one more 9 also we left. Middle. Again here one more 9 also we left. Again here 8 also we left. So find their sum. How much we get? This 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 8, 35 we get. Okay. Now find the difference. Find the difference. So difference, how much we get? 35 minus difference means subtraction. Every time subtraction we will do bigger number minus smaller number. So how much we get here? 33 we get. Difference we get 33. So we all know this 33, it will divisible by 11 easily. 11 3s are 33. We all know that this 33, it will divisible by 11. Okay. So we should take the first numbers leaving after one number leaving. Okay. Next, which numbers we left, that numbers we should take, and we should find the difference. Okay. So if the difference is divisible by 11, then the number is divisible by 11. Okay, children. Sri Yukta, please unmute yourself. What is your doubt?
Sir, what is the maths exam syllabus FA2?
FA2 exam syllabus is this third chapter.
Sir, okay.
Okay.
Sir, okay.
Did you understand, children? Divisibility rule of 11. So first of all, we should take one number leaving after one number. Okay, one after one. We should find their sum. Next, which numbers we left, that numbers we should take, and we should find their sum. And after that, we should find the difference. If the difference will divisible by 11, that whole number it will divisible by 11. Okay. Now, so these are the divisibility rule of 4, 8, and 11. Now all of you open exercise 3.7. All of you open exercise 3.7. Okay, first quit. Exercise 3.7, write first bit. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 4? Which of the following numbers are divisible by 4? See the first question, it is given 572. 572. Okay. Now let us see how to check whether it is divisible by 4 or not. Exercise 3.7. First bit. What is the given number? The given number is 572. Okay, the given number is 572. We have to check whether this number 572 divisible by 4 or not. Okay. So what is according to divisibility rule of 4? From the given number, what are the last 2 digits? We should take the last 2 digits. The last 2 digits. So take the last 2 digits. The last 2 digits, what are they? 72. No? The last 2 digits are 72. Okay. Now check whether 72 is divisible by 4 or not. Now check whether the 72 divisible by 4 or not. See, 4 1s are 4. 3 is the remainder. Again, take 2 here. Okay. 4 8s are 32. Dividing now. The last 2 digits, 72 dividing 4. Okay. So we have taken the last 2 digits, 72, and we checked whether it is dividing by 4 or not. Okay. We confirm here The last two digits 72 dividing by 4. So the given number will divisible by 4. It is divisible by 4. Okay, the last two digits we have taken. So we checked whether it is dividing by 4. So therefore, the given number divisible by 4. Okay, children. So this is the way of checking whether the given number is divisible by 4 or not. Okay. So we should take the last two digits from the given number. We have to check whether the last two digits they will divisible by 4 or not. If the last two digits if they divided by 4, then the given number is divisible by 4. Okay. And see the next question. The remaining numbers you check whether they divisible by 4 or not. See, I am explaining this last question, fifth one, 2150. Okay, 2150. See, the second question is given 2150. Second question, 2150. Okay, 2150. So to check whether this number is divisible by 4 or not. So what we should take? We should take the last two digits. Okay.
The last two digits
The
equal
last
to
two digits. So what are the last two digits number?
50.
Okay, this last two digits number is 50. Now check this last two digit 50 whether it is divisible by 4 or not.
No, sir.
Clearly we know it will not divisible by 4. See, 4 ones are 4. 1 is the remainder. Again 0 take here.
4 2s are 8.
8. We are getting remainder 2, not getting remainder 0. It means this number 50 is not dividing by 4 now. Okay. So it is not divisible by 4. So what can we write here? Therefore, the given number is divisible by 4 or not divisible by 4?
Not divisible by 4, sir.
Not divisible by
4.
Okay. So like this, we have to check divisibility rule of 4. Okay, children. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So the remaining problems, you check them whether they will divisible by 4 or not. Now see the next question, children. Next bit. Test whether the following numbers are divisible by 8. Okay. Test whether the following numbers are divisible by 8. The first number is given 9774 given. 9774 is given. So we have to check whether this number 9774 whether it is divisible by 4 or not, 8 or not. Okay. Let us see. Same process, children. How we checked the divisibility rule of 4. Same. We have to check here also. But here we should take the last 3 digits. Okay. See, second bit, first question. It is given 9774 given. 9774. Okay, this is the given number. So to check whether it is divisible by 8 or not. Okay. So take the last 3 digits. last three digits. There we have taken last two digits, but here we should take last three digits. So what are the last three digits here?
774.
Yes, this 774 are the last three digits. Okay. So if this last three digits number will divisible by 8, then the given number it is divisible by 8. Let us check whether it is divisible by 8 or not. Okay. How many times is it possible? 8 9s are 72. 8 9s are 72. So how much we get? 7 minus 2? 5. Again take 4 here. 54 is there. How many times is possible 54?
Not possible, sir.
8 6 are 48. Okay. Remainder getting 16, not dividing. Okay. So what can we conclude here? It is not divisible by 8. So therefore the given number 9774 is not divisible by 8. Same as it is exactly in first bit how we have done divisibility rule of 4. Same here also same. But here we should take the last three digits. Okay, children? Right. So now remaining problems you check whether they divisible by 8 or not. Now see the third bit, all of you. Third bit, check whether the following numbers are divisible by 11. Here some numbers are given. We have to check whether the given numbers are divisible by 11 or not. Okay. See what is the first number here? 859484. 859484. Okay. So let us see whether this number it is divisible by 11 or not. Okay. See the third bit. Third bit first question. What is given here? Third bit first question. 8594. 8594. 84. This is the given number, children. Okay. So we have to check whether it is divisible by 11 or not. Okay. To check whether it is divisible by 11 or not, first of all, we should take the numbers leaving one number. Okay. Sum of
The odd number.
okay. First of all, you take 8. If you take 8, the next number should not take. Okay, 8 and leave the number 5 and take 9. 9 after next number 4 is there. Leave that number 4 and take the next number 8. Okay. So now take them. Find their sum. How much we get? 8 plus
25.
9 plus 8. How much we get total?
25.
25. Okay. Next, which numbers we left, that numbers you take. Which numbers we left, that numbers you take. So which numbers we left here? The number 5 we left. Next number 4 we left. And another 4 also we left. These are the three numbers we left here. What are they? We left 5, What numbers will be here? 5, 4, and one more 4. Okay. Find their sum. How much we get?
13.
13 we get. Okay, we get 13. Now find that difference. Find out that difference. When we find that difference, 25 minus 13, how much we get?
12.
25 minus 13, we get 12.
4.
Difference we have got 12. No?
Sir, yes.
Difference we have got 12. Okay. Is this difference divisible by 11? No. Clearly, we know that this number, this difference 12 we have got, no? So this difference 12, it is not divisible by 11. Okay? It is not divisible by, it is not divisible by 11. So therefore, what can we conclude? Therefore, the given number,
Is not divisible.
8594 is
Not divisible by.
not divisible by 11. Okay, children. So this is the way of checking whether the given number is divisible by 11 or not. Okay. You take the first number, leave the next digit, again take the next digit, again leave the next digit, again. So leaving after one digit, we should take the numbers. Find their sum, and after which numbers, which digits we left, that digits we should take, and we should find their sum difference. If the difference is divisible by 11, then the given number is divisible by 11. Okay, children, understood? Now let us see the next problems. So the remaining problems also you check the divisibility rule of 11. And fourth bit is asking here, verify whether the following numbers are divisible by 4 and 8. Already in first and second bits we have checked divisibility rule of 4 and 8. By using that divisibility rule of 4 and 8, you check this given numbers. Okay. Now see the fifth bit. Find the smallest number that must be added to 289279 so that it is divisible by 8. What is given the question? Find the smallest number that must be added to 289279 so that it is divisible by 8. Okay. See now how we have to find the smallest number. Fifth bit.
Yeah, 3s are 24.
Fifth bit, first question.
39.
Given number. What is the given number? 2892. 289279. 289279. This is the given number. So we have to find the smallest number that must be divisible by 8. Okay. So in this, take the last 3 digits. You are asking whether it is divisible by 8 or not. So to check whether the number divisible by 8 or not, we have to check the last 3 digits. So take the last 3 digits. Last 3 digits. So what are the last digit? 270.
279.
Okay, 279. Clearly, he only mentioned this number it will not divisible by 8. Okay,
Sir, yes.
it will not divisible by 8.
All.
So to divisible by 8, what number must be added?
Sir, 1.
Okay, what number must be added? So someone said 1. Who is that?
Sir, Shifta.
Sriyukta, very good. Sriyukta, you are excellently. You are absolutely right. Excellent. Good job. So if we add 1 for this numbers 279, it will divisible by 8. Okay. If 1 is added to 279, okay, we get 279 plus 1 is equal to we get 280. We get 280 now.
Sir, yes.
So this 280, it will divisible by 8. Okay. When we check this 280 with 8 table, okay, 8 tens are, sorry, how many times possibilities? 8 threes are 24.
Like 34, sir.
4 we get here and 0.
35, sir.
And 8 5s are 40. Dividing by 8 no. So if 1 is added to 279, we get 279 plus 1 that is equal to 280. Okay. So it is divisible by 8. Already we checked here. It is dividing by 8. So what he asked question here? Find the smallest number that must be added. Okay. Therefore, 1 is added to 289279. If 1 is added to 289279, it is divisible by 8. It is divisible by 8. It means which number must be added to divisible by 8 means 1 is adding number. The adding number is 1. If we add 1 for the given number, it will divisible by 8. Okay, children? Right. In the same way, now see the next question. 6th one. Find the smallest number that can be subtracted from 1965 so that it becomes divisible by 4. Same problem, children. In previous question, divisibility rule of 8 is asked. Here asking divisibility rule of 4. But here asking subtraction. Which number we have to subtract? Okay. In previous question asked which number should be added to divisible by 8. Okay. Which number should be added to divisible by 8? Okay. So here we found that 1 is to be added to the given number. Then it is divisible by 8. So here same question asking divisibility rule of 4 and subtracting number. Asking here subtracting number. So to subtract by what number? The number given number divisible by 4. That we have to check. Okay. Now see the 7th question. Write all the possible numbers between 1000 and 1100 that are divisible by 11. Okay. So what is asking here? write all the possible numbers between 1000 and 1100 that are divisible by 11. So we should take between the numbers 1000 and 1100 which are divisible by 11. Okay. So let us see. We can write directly, children. See the 7th question. The numbers between 1000 and 1100 are. So what we get the numbers here between 1000 and 1100? 1001, 1002, 1003, so on. Up to what number? Your hand mention 1099. Okay, 1099 we get. Last number is 1099. Okay, the last number is 1099. So these are the numbers between 1000 and 1100. Okay. So from these numbers, we have to select which numbers between 1000 and 1100 divisible by 11. Okay. So therefore, the numbers between the numbers divisible by 11 between what numbers? 1000 and 1100 are. Tell first what number will come? Is this 1001 divisible by 11? Is this 1001 divisible by 11 or not?
Sir, divisible.
Yes, it is divisible by 11. Why? Because see 1001. No? So when we take 11 table, 11 tens are 1100. Sorry, 11 tens are 110. Okay, children, the time is up. So first number is 1001. To find the next number for this 1001, you add 11. How much we get? 1000. If we add 11 for this number, how much we get? 1012 we get, no?
Yes, sir.
Means to find the next numbers, you add 11 for each number. For
Sir,
1000, when we add 11,
1012, 1023, 1034, 1055, 1056, 1067, 1078, 1089.
very good. The last number is 1089. Okay. So here if we add 1012, 11, how much we get? 1023.
1000.
Isn't it?
Sir.
So these are the numbers which are divisible by 11 between 1000 and 1100. Okay, children. Again, 2 more problems are left in this. You complete the 2 more problems.
Sir.
8th and 9th. Okay, children. So
Sir,
the
okay.
chapter is completed. So the next chapter we have basic geometrical ideas. So for that next chapter, again I am reminding you, Be ready with a torchlight. Every student, be ready with a torchlight and pencil. Okay, children?